Welcome to Beautyistic, your ultimate destination for all things beauty. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tips, reviews, and all the beauty insights you need. Today, I'm diving into a truly unique and adorable makeup set, the Wet n Wild Hello Kitty PR Box. This is a limited edition collection celebrating Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary, and it's packed with everything you could possibly need to create versatile, buildable looks. So, let's get into the details of this cute and functional PR box. Inside, you'll find 2 layers of makeup essentials, starting with the Glitter Mascara's eyelash curler set, a makeup sponge, mirror and keychain set, loose setting powder, eye and face palette in Be Kind, trio highlighter, ombre blush, shimmer liquid eyeliner, liquid eyeshadow, lip stain, glitter lip oil, and a lip mask. Pretty impressive, right? The packaging itself is as charming as it gets, with a 2-layered design and a handle for easy carrying. Plus, it's designed to be a keepsake, so it's perfect for storing all your beauty goodies long after the products are used up. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. I had the chance to try out several of these products, and here's what I think. The loose setting powder has a soft, pink tint that works well to brighten and mattify the skin without feeling heavy. The trio highlighter offers a beautiful glow that's buildable, giving you a natural radiance that can be intensified for a more dramatic effect. The ombre blush is another standout, delivering a smooth, blendable color that adds just the right amount of warmth. I also tried the glitter lip oil, which gives a subtle glossy shine with just a hint of sparkle. It feels comfortable on the lips, not too sticky, and provides some hydration. The liquid eyeshadows and shimmer liquid eyeliner are fun additions, especially for those who love a bit of shimmer and shine in their eye looks. These products are easily buildable, so whether you're going for a soft shimmer or a bold pop of color, they're versatile enough to work for all kinds of styles. But, as with any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. The glitter mascara is definitely more of a statement piece. It adds sparkle, but I found it to be a little heavy for daily wear. The lip stain, while nice in concept, could use a bit more staying power. It's a beautiful color, but it fades quicker than I expected, which may require a touch-up throughout the day. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on reviews like this one. It helps other makeup lovers like you discover these products. Moving on to the pros and cons. On the plus side, the packaging is absolutely adorable and well thought out. It's a perfect collector's item, and the products inside are high quality for their price point. Most of the formulas are easy to work with, blend well, and provide good coverage without feeling heavy. Another big plus is that it's cruelty-free and vegan, which is always a win in my book. The wide range of products means you've got everything you need to create both natural and glam looks, all in one box. However, there are a few downsides. The glitter mascara may not be for everyone, especially if you're looking for something more natural. It's fun for special occasions, but it could feel a bit too bold for daily use. The lip stain could also use some improvement in terms of longevity, as it doesn't hold up as well as I'd like. In terms of value for money, this box is a great deal if you're a Hello Kitty fan or if you love experimenting with different makeup looks. You're getting a lot of products for the price, and most of them are high-performing, especially considering the cruelty-free vegan formula. Comparing this to other similar sets on the market, this one stands out primarily for its unique packaging and the Hello Kitty branding. While other brands offer similar products, they often don't come with the same collector's appeal or the fun, playful aesthetic. Additionally, the variety of products in this box is hard to beat, making it a one-stop shop for creating different looks. As for build quality and longevity, the products feel solid and the packaging is durable, making it easy to store and travel with. There's no major concern about the durability of the individual items. They perform well throughout the day, though some products, like the lip stain, may need a little touch-up. If you're wondering about customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with Wet n Wild's service for this set, but based on the brand's reputation, they're known for good customer service and support for their products. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something similar, but with a more everyday wearable focus, the NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette or the Revolution Beauty X Friends collection might be worth checking out. Both offer quality products and great packaging, though they don't come with the same Hello Kitty nostalgia. Finally, my verdict on the Wet n Wild Hello Kitty PR box is this. It's a fun, limited edition set that delivers solid performance with a playful twist. The packaging is perfect for collectors, and most of the products inside are great for creating a range of looks. While there are a few things that could be improved, like the lip stain and glitter mascara, overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to add some fun and versatile products to their collection. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on this box, you can find the link in the comments below. Have you tried it? Or do you have a favorite product from Wet n Wild? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, this is Beautyistic, signing off. Remember, beauty's in the eye of the beholder,